Secret number 6, training your attention. Secret 6, train your attention. Most people underestimate how much discipline is lost through scattered attention. You can have clear goals, strong motivation, a genuine desire to improve and still fail simply because your attention is weak. Stoics understood this clearly. Attention is the gateway to action. If your attention is constantly being stolen, your life will be stolen with it. Attention is the new currency. Every notification, every app, every dopamine-triggering device is competing to take it from you. Discipline begins the moment you reclaim your attention from the world. Start by reducing mental noise, not eliminating it. You don't need a silent life. You need a structured one. A Stoic designs an environment where focus becomes the default. Instead of forcing yourself to concentrate, design your surroundings to remove temptation. This is not weakness. This is wisdom. Even Marcus Aurelius removed distractions from his environment. He didn't rely on raw willpower alone. He relied on strategy. Practice deep work in short, intentional sessions. Discipline grows when you train your mind to stay with one task at a time. No switching, no jumping, no multitasking. The modern mind is trained to crave stimulation. The disciplined mind is trained to resist it. Start with 20 minutes of focused work. No breaks, no phone checks. Then slowly build from there. This strengthens your mental endurance. The way resistance builds muscle. Detach from digital validation. Many people destroy their discipline by constantly chasing tiny hits of approval, likes, comments, messages. These become invisible addictions. A Stoic never allows external validation to dictate his behavior. Train yourself to work without expecting immediate reward. The more you detach from instant gratification, the stronger your attention becomes. When you master your attention, everything else becomes easier. Your goals feel closer, distractions lose their grip, your mind grows sharper, and discipline, instead of something you force, becomes the natural expression of a focused life. You become someone who finishes what he starts, not because of motivation, but because your attention is no longer for sale. Let's be honest, you've tried every hack, every productivity app, every motivational cliche. They failed. Why? Because you were treating the symptom, not the disease. Discipline is a state of mind, not a to-do list, and it's time to make structural changes. Secret 7, make discipline. Secret number 7, making discipline non-negotiable, non-negotiable. One of the biggest reasons discipline fails is because people treat their goals as optional tasks. Optional actions create optional results. Stoics refuse to live this way. They believe the most important parts of life must become non-negotiables. Not if I feel like it, not when I have time, but this will be done because it must be done. When something becomes non-negotiable, discipline becomes automatic. Look closely at your daily habits. Everything you treat as optional eventually gets replaced by what is easier, softer, more comfortable. That's why most people lose momentum. A Stoic does not rely on mood or convenience. He builds systems where values guide decisions, not impulses. If you want to upgrade your life, remove softness around your priorities. Don't hope for discipline. Execute it. Create 3 non-negotiable actions for each day. These are your no matter what actions. Simple, essential, not massive goals, not complicated plans, just 3 actions that align with the person you are becoming. Even on bad days, even when life pushes back, these 3 actions must be completed. This builds the identity of someone who always follows through. Eliminate hidden loopholes. Your mind will always try to negotiate. It will say you can skip today, you can do it later. Stoicism trains you to recognize these thoughts as illusions. The moment you notice negotiation, act immediately. Move before excuses gain strength. The faster you act, the weaker the impulse becomes. Once your priorities are no longer optional, discipline becomes part of your nature. You begin to trust yourself. Others begin to respect you. Life becomes simpler because decisions are no longer emotional. They are structural. You don't ask, should I do this? You know you will, and in that certainty lies real power. Secret 8, strengthen willpower through voluntary hardship. Stoics train secret law 8, strength through voluntary hardship, their willpower. The way athletes train muscle through controlled hardship, not suffering, not self-punishment, but intentional difficulty designed to strengthen mental resilience. In modern life, we instinctively avoid discomfort, but avoiding discomfort makes us fragile. When every inconvenience feels like a crisis, discipline collapses. To build unbreakable discipline, you must reintroduce yourself to challenge. Choose small hardships deliberately. Wake up a little earlier. Take cold showers. Walk instead of driving. Train without music. These small hardships aren't about proving toughness. They're about building a mind that does not panic. When life becomes uncomfortable, when you expose yourself to control difficulty, real difficulty loses its power over you. Practice doing what you don't want to do. Seneca warned that if you only do what feels pleasant, you become weak. When you repeatedly face tasks you dislike, waking early, studying while tired, eating clean, finishing work instead of procrastinating, you teach your brain that discomfort is not a signal to stop. You retrain your reflex to move forward through resistance. Detach your identity from comfort. Many people define themselves by what makes them feel good. Favorite foods, favorite entertainment, favorite routines. But an identity built on comfort collapses when life gets hard. Stoics build identity through endurance, not pleasure. By strengthening your will through voluntary discomfort, you become someone who can face anything. Once hardship becomes familiar, nothing threatens you. Your discipline becomes fierce. You stop quitting when things get hard. You stop running from challenge. Your willpower becomes a weapon, silent, sharp, unbreakable. And in a world addicted to comfort, this makes you unstoppable. Secret number 9, protecting your time. Secret 9, protect your time with discipline. Time is the most valuable resource you have. It is also the one most people waste without noticing. Seneca warned us long ago. It is not that we are given a short life. We make it short. When you waste time, you waste potential. When you protect your time, discipline grows naturally. People who fail to protect their time struggle endlessly with discipline because their lives are constantly interrupted, stolen, and scattered. Start by identifying your time leaks, hidden activities that drain hours without adding value, unnecessary conversations, mindless scrolling, endless entertainment, unplanned tasks. These small leaks quietly drain your energy and sabotage your progress. A Stoic reviews his day with honesty, not judgment, and seals these leaks until his time becomes intentional again. Use time blocks to create structure. When your day has a clear design, your mind becomes calmer and discipline becomes easier. Without structure, everything feels overwhelming. With structure, everything becomes manageable. Block time for work, training, learning, rest, and reflection. This doesn't trap you, it frees you, because discipline thrives in clarity. Guard your time from the demands of others. Most people allow anyone to interrupt their day. They say yes out of guilt or fear of disappointing others. Stoicism teaches you to prioritize your life first. Politely decline anything that doesn't align with your purpose. You cannot build discipline if your life is controlled by everyone except you. When you fiercely protect your time, your progress accelerates. You gain hours that others casually waste. You stop feeling rushed, stressed, overwhelmed. You move through life with intention, calm, and control. And from that control, discipline becomes your natural rhythm, steady, powerful, unshakable. Secret 10. Live for the long game. The secret, Center 10. Playing the long game final pillar of unbreakable discipline is long-term thinking. Most people fail because they chase fast results. They want transformation now, success now, confidence now. But Stoicism teaches the opposite. True strength comes from playing the long game. When you stop chasing instant outcomes and start building a lifetime foundation, discipline becomes easier. Be patient with your progress. A Stoic does not rush growth. He respects the process. He understands that every small action compounds over months and over years. When you give yourself time, you remove the pressure that destroys consistency. You stop judging yourself too quickly. You begin acting with maturity instead of impatience. Build goals that extend beyond this year. Don't aim for a better year. Aim for a better life. Create goals that shape your character, not just your achievements, a stronger body, a sharper mind, a focused routine, a wiser response to adversity. When your goals shape who you become, discipline stops being temporary and becomes permanent. Detach from the obsession with quick rewards. Modern life trains you to look for shortcuts, but shortcuts weaken character. Stoics believed every challenge was an opportunity to grow stronger. When you commit to the long path, failure stops discouraging you. It becomes feedback, direction, fuel. Once you commit to the long game, you become unstoppable. You no longer quit because progress is slow. You no longer doubt yourself because progress is invisible. You understand what the Stoics understood. Discipline is not a moment. It is a way of life. And the moment you embrace the long game, your discipline becomes unbreakable for life. Conclusion. In the end, discipline is. Conclusion not about perfection. It's about direction. It's the quiet decision you make every single day to choose growth over comfort, purpose over impulse, and long-term strength over short-term pleasure. Stoics never wait for motivation, and they never rely on feeling ready. They build themselves through simple, steady actions that shape character over time. If you take these principles seriously, if you guard your attention, remove what's optional, embrace hardship, protect your time, and commit to the long game, discipline won't just improve, it will transform. It will become the foundation that carries you through every challenge in 2026 and far beyond. Build a kind of discipline that cannot be broken because it comes from who you choose to become, not how you feel in a passing moment. And once you make that shift, the rest of your life begins to shift with it. If you feel this is the journey you need, hit subscribe and join us where each week we train the mind to become untouchable. In the next video, we'll go deeper into how Stoics stay calm and focused when everything around them is falling apart. Don't miss it. If you're committed to this path, write this in the comments below. Just one line. I choose discipline over comfort. That is your commitment to a disciplined and successful 2026. Thank you for watching.